You need to watch this if you struggle with getting consistent crop yields. AI farming turns guesswork into proven results. Here's how it actually boosts your bottom line. Imagine sensors collecting field data. Imagine drones scouting crops. Imagine weather models forecasting conditions, all working together to tell you exactly when to water your fields, apply fertilizer time, your harvest. AI analyzes soil, AI analyzes pests, AI analyzes microclimates in real time, so decisions that used to take weeks happen instantly. The result? Less waste. Fewer surprises, measurable yield gains season after season. Farmers are already reporting higher harvests, lower input costs, faster problem solving with machine learning tools. Proof of yield, not just promises. Start small. Test an AI soil sensor, or try a predictive irrigation app. Scale when you see the data. Future farming isn't sci-fi. It's a smart, testable way to grow more with less. Ready to let your fields be smart?